In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a foundation double crochet. Start with a slip knot and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Because we're doing a double crochet, we're going to start by yarning over and then we're going to insert our hook into that bottom chain stitch, pull through once. This is essentially your foundation chain replacement. And then you're going to crochet double crochet, pull through once, pull through twice and pull through 3 times as you would for a normal double crochet. Do this again, yarn over and into that very bottom foundation stitch that you made, insert your hook, pull through for a new foundation and then crochet a double crochet, pulling through 3 times. Yarn over, now you've got a new bottom stitch, pull through and then pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops and finish by pulling through 2 loops again. Yarn over and just get your hook into both of those stitches, pull through, pull this very first foundation chain nice and loose and then continue your double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and so on through there. Foundation 1, 2, 3 for the double crochet, yarn over, foundation 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and that's how you do the foundation double crochet. And it gives you a really nice V stitch at the bottom as well, and just a very neat finish to your project edge. And if you're interested in learning the foundation single crochet, then just go and check out the tutorial on my channel page. Bye!